This is why you close the trash can lids and latch it. Bears.
We thought we'd get a little video of the tent sites here at Rainbow Trout Campground, Ranch and Campground. So they have 5 or 6 tent sites. They're actually set up really nicely. So I'm just gonna kind of show you, in the river's right back there. Creek, it's more of a creek than a river.
I like that they're manicured.
They are manicured.
Somebody comes out here with a lawnmower and mows these things.
Yeah. They all have fire rings, so walk down. There's a group tent site down here at the end. Pan around here and show you the view from these sites. So this is the east side. Now there is a road that runs back there. It's typically not too loud. There are a few cars though. There's a truck especially that comes through a couple times a day and makes some noise, but it's not late or early in the morning. And then this is the entrance in. And here's the west side. So I don't know what's up on the top of that hill, but it would be fun to check out. All right. And then you have a gorgeous view. Let me see if I can zoom in on that view down there. Oh, this is not going to do it justice. It is gorgeous. Dump station is here, and the trash. This one is the group site, right? Yeah, and that's a nice size group site. 2 picnic tables, 2 fire rings. We like it here, we really do. Most of the campsites were full over the weekend, but it wasn't crazy or loud or anything like that. Everybody was pretty respectful. Okay, we came and looked at the 2 sites at the end. They're really tucked back here. So that one there is the one I tried to get, and it was booked. It wasn't open for the whole time we were here. This one, look what you get with this one. You're right next to the creek. You've got all that space down there. There's their fire ring right down there. But let me show you the price you pay for this. I don't know if this is going to come out on camera or not, but this is a leveling nightmare. I can't even imagine. I can't. That's a good foot difference between yeah. That side, the camper, and that side. That's just, nope. All right. I just wanted to share a little funny here. This is our campsite. This is our camper right here. I'm gonna pan to the right. Pan to the right. Keep panning to the right. Where do you think my husband is right now? A little greenhouse, maybe? Again, this is our rig with a perfectly good toilet inside. And my husband may, oh. Can you please repeat what you said about your beer? What is your beer not doing?
It's not acting
It's
right.
not acting right. Your beer is not acting right. Okay. I just wanted to make sure we got that. Just thought I'd catch everybody up on our adventures this week. First of all, let's talk about Scott's adventure today. What did you do today, Scott?
Today was empty the black tanks with the honey wagon.
And the gray tank.
And the gray tank. So
So
we get to take showers. Can't wait.
we did the gray tank first, and it took us about 3 times the amount of time it took us to do the black tank.
Yeah, the first one took us a little bit of time because it was the first time we've ever used the honey wagon. So it was a learning experience.
It sits higher than the valve for the tanks.
Yeah, so we had to kind of play with it.
Yeah. Well, we got it.
We got it and had to shift the hose and work it around and get it all out. And it worked all out fine. And had to hitch it to the back of the truck over here. Hitch it to the hitch.
We have insert a video of that. I followed along just to make sure it didn't tip over or anything like that. The dump station's a little different. It's just there's a
It's
lid.
our second dump station we've ever used.
You open the lid. Oh, it's this third. We had full hookups at the first.
Oh, full hookup. Yeah,
campground.
we had full hookup. But as far as a dump station,
Yeah, but you take the lid off and it's just this big.
big open well.
Yep.
You just
So
dump it in.
that was a little different, but we did the gray tank first, then we did the black tank.
Right.
We've been here for almost 2 weeks. So it's 12 days. We've been here for 12 days, and our black tank should have been full.
Should have been pretty full. I didn't have a
No.
whole lot, so
As everybody knows, the sensor on the black tank stops working about the first time you use it.
right.
And I don't think we've added enough water the first few times. I'm a little concerned that we're starting to build a
Damn.
pyramid of sorts because hardly anything came out of the black tank. We got a little bit out.
I got
but
quite
it,
a bit. But
it didn't even fill
thought
the
it was
honey
more.
wagon.
Thought it would have been more.
Yeah, it didn't even fill it. So we topped it off with the rest of the gray tank. And we were going to take showers tonight. We were pretty excited about that. But the campground, we'll show you guys tomorrow, is completely full. It's full. And we think that Scott says we have 0 water
I
pressure.
have 0 water pressure. I have a water pressure regulator on the outlet up there, on the hill, on the side of the hill, and yeah, it's reading 0. So I have no water to refill Babs with. So we gotta wait.
We don't even have water to flush with, so because we drained it, or did the dishes and everything, thinking we were gonna,
Fill it up.
yeah, and nope,
Take showers.
yep. So
Nope.
hopefully we're gonna wait a little bit later tonight and try it then. And then instead of going on the city water, we'll just fill the tank, and that way we don't have to worry about
Right.
low pressure tomorrow. So
Right.
Scott's got to work tomorrow. I don't want to be here all day with no water. So yeah, that's gonna stink.
I have like 2 gallons. I have 2 gallons of fresh water.
I mean, there is a porta potty right next here, but
There's a porta potty.
ew, I don't want to do that. So the Kona ice truck is here.
All right, everybody, welcome to the family stage here at the Elevation Celebration. The family stage is sponsored by Ripple Soft Ice Cream. It's a new company in the area. They'll be doing their grand opening up at the Wicked Whisk Bakery August 17th, but please check them out over here. They'll be having an ice cream eating contest later today. They're handing out samples, so check in with the Ripple Soft Ice Cream Company. Welcome to the Elevation Celebration. We are super excited to have you guys here. The weather looks amazing today. We had a little rain yesterday, but so far the forecast is pretty clear for today. Our first act today, we have a few performances from the Stage Door Theater that are going to be here. I know a lot of you guys know Stage Door Theater. Just
coming back from a weekend in the mountains, camping, staycations, and we have to come back this way. First of all, we have to cross this with no light to get to the laundromat, and then to get back to the camper, we have to come back this way, so it'll be interesting. Beautiful drive though. One of my favorite areas of Colorado. Between here and Salida probably. If you have never been to this area of Colorado, I would highly recommend it. Fairplay, Buena Vista, Salida, and all areas in between. Bailey. It's a beautiful area of Colorado. Spent a lot of time here growing up. Dog wash is closed today. We're bummed. This is really convenient though. Laundry day. Got an early start though, so I wanted to get all the errands done and then go have fun. Not a bad place to do laundry. Little patio. It's kind of hot today, so we're choosing to sit in the shade, but view of the river. Scott's having hot tea on this hot day.
I wanted ice, but I forgot. When I was too late.
At least his tea is acting right.
It's very true.
Wrapping up this week's video, we thought it might be nice, instead of watching the two of us talk, that you got to see some of the scenery. So we're going for a little bit of a walk back behind the campground.
In your slippers.
In my slippers. Yes, in my slippers. Scott's getting ahead of me. So, I don't know when we'll be by the campfire again. They just issued a stage 1 fire ban.
Yeah.
Starting this morning, about 7 o'clock this morning. So it's to be expected after the fire yesterday. There's several other fires burning in Colorado. not close to us currently. So no fires for us, which is it's a good thing. When there's forest fires, we don't want fire, right? Okay. This is tricky. Cool little trail though. All right. So what I wanted to share was yesterday when we were at the elevation celebration, we stopped at a how to prevent forest fires or forest fire readiness tent. And the lady she gave me some literature, and then she told me to download the app, which I did. I didn't do anything with it, I just downloaded it. And when we got home, I opened it up. Wasn't feeling well yesterday afternoon. I opened it up and just hit allow. And within 10 minutes, we got the warning. So the fire occurred right along the highway that's the main highway that we were driving on earlier in the video. Shut down the highway. It was 10, 12 miles away from us. So it wasn't close, but this area of Colorado, a 6-acre fire that's 12 miles away can be a 50-acre fire that's 3 miles away in a matter of minutes. So an hour maybe.
Right.
Fortunately, the winds were low. The fire occurred along the road. They were able to get to it and surround it quickly. But we put together a go bag.
Yep.
And started talking about the best route out because we knew getting on the highway would not be the best route. It was going to be bumper to bumper traffic. It was that way coming back from Laundry. So we started looking for alternate routes going north or south out of the area, depending on which way the travel would be, or the fire would be traveling. So we feel much more prepared now. This app is amazing. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it seems really good. I think everybody should use it.
Especially if you're in a high fire danger area. So anyway, thank you for joining this week. Thank you for following us, for supporting us.
Absolutely. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe, everybody. It really helps us out a lot. Keeps us in the loop. Makes our page a little bit more accessible to everybody. And I hope to hopefully see you guys all by the campfire.
Stay tuned next week. We're having weekend guests.
Company.
Should be a lot of fun. Thank you.